You guys, I made a list. I'm excited about it. Come along with me and I'll show you what I have to get done today. Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. So I'm gonna clean out the shower, and it has a lot of dust up here. So I need to make sure I get that cleaned off. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like because it's real dusty, the wall and everything. So I need to make sure that I get this wiped off really, really good. I'm just gonna do a quick wipe down with this dust mitt that my mom picked up from Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm just gonna dust the wall off with it. It works really well, I love it. I've used it in a few of my other videos as well. One thing to remember when you're cleaning is you want to start at the top and work your way down. So in this case, I started dusting at the top and now I'm working my way down, cleaning off the walls with vinegar. At some point soon, I need to get in here and do a deep clean with a toothbrush because these little divots have, you know, a little bit of cake up, whatever. I don't know what it's called. It doesn't really look like dirt. Maybe it's soap scum in it. So yeah, I need to get some CLR and get that handled, but I'm not going to do that today. I would like to again welcome all of the first timers to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by and I don't take it lightly. So let me break it down to you as to why you should subscribe to my channel. Numero uno, Kim gives them tips. And I'm telling you, it's all kinds of tips besides cleaning. Life tips, all kinds of things like say your affirmations, make sure you look in the mirror every day and tell yourself how loved you are, okay? Those types of things. Numero dos, this is a safe and positive space. I'm pretty sure that one's self-explanatory. C, yes, I said C. I like to cook, so you'll have like all of these easy recipes that you can follow, even though I don't measure, but that's a whole nother story. And I also offer so much more, but that is just to name a few. So stick around, and before you leave, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button as well because it helps my channel. Seriously though, I really appreciate you being here. This floor to me needed like a deep scrub down, so I'm just scrubbing it down with vinegar. For those of you who are new, vinegar is one of my favorite cleaning products to clean with. It's a natural disinfectant. It does not leave streaks. That is so important for me. I have a few other reasons as to why I like to use vinegar too. So what I have decided to do is create a video about it. So be sure your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss that. Let me show you how gross my rag is that I cleaned the floor off with. A great way to preserve those rags before you actually put them in the washer is to just rinse them out thoroughly on both sides.
Oh yeah, this could all be over.
So you see that hair in there and all that dirt? I don't know if you can see it very well, but I know I can. So yeah, that's how gross my floor was, even after sweeping it. And here's a glimpse of the shower. There were only a few things that I needed to get done in this bathroom today, so I'm pretty much finished in here. So on my list next is to clean the wax off of the wall. I'm gonna give you a weird angle. I'm sure you guys see all the splatters, right? And then there's some at the bottom. It's so funny because like 2 days after this happened, I got wax all over my kitchen and it was like orange wax. So let's say you have wax on your wall and it's not from a soy candle, so it's really, really hard wax. What do you feel is the best way to get it off of the wall? Leave a comment down below. Here's what it looks like if it's face on, and I'm not really sure how much it picks up in the camera, but that's why I had that weird angle in the beginning. I just wanted to make sure you had a clear view of what I was dealing with and how much wax was actually on the wall. I already have my blow dryer plugged in. So we have a blow dryer, vinegar, it's my handy dandy vinegar, and a scraper just in case. Can you see my reflection? Hey sugar, how you doing? Okay, sorry. So I'm gonna try to scrape a little before I blow dry it, and if that does not work, then I'm gonna blow dry it.
for a new day, when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go, so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we're drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No.
There's something so pleasing about watching wax come off of a wall. I don't know, what do you think? I know I cannot be the only person who thinks that.
Door slam to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Be over now. Is this over? Now. Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over?
I called myself having this plastic bag under here so that it could catch like the wax. It didn't work. I don't know what I was thinking.
I'm breaking down like the rain, like my worries on a windy summer day. What I sense, it's all the same. Can you help me?
And again, I will be spraying the vinegar and just wiping it down with a washcloth or a cleaning cloth, whatever you want to wash it down with. So visibly on the surface, it looks really good. It just is going to need some touch up on the paint. Yeah, so about that bag that did not work for me. I'm going to get this cleaned up really quickly. Since the wax is still somewhat soft, I am getting this cleaned up with a Clorox wipe. That's for my first go around. For my second go around, I will be using the good old vacuum cleaner. So the reason that I used the wet cloth on the first go around is so that nothing got smashed into the carpet that was, trying to dry. And then right at the point where it starts to harden, that's when you want to vacuum. You will want to be sure that you vacuum thoroughly. I cannot stress that enough. You do not want hard wax all over your floor.
Like a mermaid, and she needs no air to breathe. My escapes are all the same. Can you help me? Can you help me feel okay? Take me out there, your golden wings. I need you, I need you, I bleed too. Kiss me gently on my.
The wall looks completely fine. I just have to go over it with paint, but I'm not going to do that today. When you're standing from afar, you cannot tell, and to be honest, I'll be the only person who knows, besides you guys. I could not even tell you the last time I did this, so I'm gonna do it. It's not really bad, but I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum it anyway because there was those little stink bugs. Can someone please tell me what their purpose in life is? I really need to know. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. You don't even know, like, for real. Please make sure you are loving on yourself. Make sure you do something nice for yourself. It's really important. Self-care will turn you into a millionaire girl. Handle your business. Done. D-O-N-E, done. Even if I wasn't done, I would be done because I'm tired. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, everything looks really good. I did do a gypsy couch clean and I also vacuumed the floor, but it wasn't on camera because y'all have seen me do it 1,000 times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I also hope you got some motivation to get some things done around your house and possibly do some DIYs. Houston, we have a problem. This needs replaced because it's fall and no longer matches. So I ordered a different one, right? Why do the legs look that color? Why? I don't even like that. I can't stand it. So now I have to spray paint it. Stay tuned. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.